I'm going to show you what happens when you hit a steel stud. So you've got your Forstner bit on there, not expecting to hit the steel stud. All of a sudden, it's not going anywhere. Replace your Forstner with a steel bit. And continue drilling through. Aug it out a little bit and then get in there with a screwdriver and kind of smooth it out. Even better than a screwdriver, if you have a little rat tail file with you in your toolbox, hit it a few times all the way around because it's sharp. It's really sharp and you don't want to be cutting up the cable.